Okay, so the question is, if we have a $300 goal and we've reached about a fourth of the way, how much have we raised so far? So to make this a little easier, I'm going to come over to this slide and I'm going to show you a really low stress, easy way to start doing division. Okay, I know some of us freak out when we think of the word division, but don't freak out. Okay, don't freak out. We're going to do partial quotients. This is super like user friendly, and I think you'll do fine. So remember, our goal is to find out what is 1/4 of 300. Okay, so that means, of course, since the 4 is the denominator, that this has to be broken into 4 equal parts, which it is. Now, 300. Could I divide 300? Let's just start with something super easy. What if I wanted to do 100 bucks? Could I put 100 bucks in each of these? No, I couldn't because it's not enough money, right? I only have 300. If I did 100 bucks, that would be 400 because there are 4 pieces. Okay, so that's not going to work. So automatically I know, okay, 100 is going to be less than 100 in each box. Now let's think of something easy. We could put 20 in each box, or we could put 50 in each box. 50 is pretty easy. Let's do that. Let's see, 50 here. Okay, same, 50 here. You have to put them equally in each one. You can't put 50 in one and 20 in another. If you're going to put 50 in one, you have to put it in all of them. Okay, and then our last one, also 50. How much have we put in each box so far? Well, 50 and 50, what is that? That's 100. Okay, and of course this up here is also another 100. So far I have 200. So instead of 300 now, my total is 200. Oh, sorry, I took 200. So that means I have how much left after if I've already put 200 in the boxes? I have 100 bucks left. Okay. Now, if I am nervous and I don't want to try using larger numbers, I could just start with 10. Okay, so far I have 50, 50, 50, 50, that's 200. Now I have 210. Now I have 220. Count with me now. Very good, 230. What about this one? 240. Okay, am I there yet? No, I'm not. I have to get to 300 and I'm currently at 240. That means I have enough left do I have enough left to put 10 more in each box? See, I'm at 240, so that'd be 250, 260, 270, 280. Yeah, I could put another 10 in each box. You like, I bet you enjoy watching me draw these. Okay, while I'm drawing them, you figure out how much is in each box so far. That's right, 70. So if I add them all up, I know I have 100 here, 200, and then I can count by tens. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280. Ooh, I'm not there yet. Could I put 5? 285, 290, 295, and 300. See how easy that was? You just did division. This is called partial quotients, okay? So just to make sure, I have 300 in each box. Now, what was the original question? The original question was, how much is 1/4 of 300 bones? 300 smackaroos. 300 dollaroonies. 3 big faces, right? And what is your answer? Very nice. Okay, so now, excellent work, guys. I don't know if I've ever seen such beautiful drawings. So the answer that we just found was that 75 was in each box. Now, we've done this one, so you're going to label these, and now you're going to work on finding how much of a fraction this one is. We said this one was 1/4. How much do you think this one is? Then this one, that one's pretty easy, I'm not going to lie to you. Then this one, and it might help you out, okay, to look at ones that we've already figured out. Like, for example, Just throwing this out there. This, hold on, let me turn on this marker here. Okay, this looks very similar to this. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just throwing it out there. All right, so your job, once again, your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to, just kidding, you have to do it either way, is to figure out all of the fractions that are going on here. So just as we wrote, this is a fourth, and this is 2/4, 3/4, etc. Now you're going to do that with these. This is obviously not fourth, okay? You're not trying to figure out the amount of money yet. You're only trying to figure out the fraction that these pieces are broken into.